If you want to build your online store in less than 10 minutes, then you clicked on the right video. Hey everyone, my name is Sarkis. I have scaled numerous brands to 6 figures and beyond. If you want to stay up to date, make sure to join this community by hitting that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's dive right in. Step number 1, sign up to Shopify. Now, I got you guys. If you use the link in my description, then you will have a 3-day free trial and then just pay $1 for 3 months. So if you use the link, you will have more than enough time to build the store for free. Step number 2, you gotta pick your theme. Now, Shopify gives you a lot of free themes that you can base yourself on. The ones I would recommend is Sense right here or Dot. Once you do your pick, let's say you want to go for Sense, all you have to do is press on add. Once it is added, all we have to do is press on customize. So let's start with the first section. The first section usually is just a welcoming message or your unique selling proposition of the shop. Now, if you don't have any images yet, good news is that Shopify gives us free images to add. All we have to do is press on image with text, and on the right side, there's a box that appears. You can see over here that we have 2 options. Either we select the image, so we upload our own image, or we can even explore free images. So let's go ahead and hit on that. Let's say right now is summer, right? So I wanna have that summery feeling on my shop. I can literally put summer, and look at this. I have a lot of really nice images I can use. Right now, I will use something similar to this. So this is looking pretty nice. All I have to do is press on select right there, and there we go. We have a really nice image. Let's say we want to edit this text right here. All I have to do is press on that box, and you can see a box on the right side appears, and I can replace the text. So over here, I can put a text similar to enjoy our limited summer sale. You can put your welcoming message, your unique selling proposition, whatever it is you want to welcome with that first section. So once that is done, you can press on save on the top right. Always make sure to save. So for logos and colors, all you have to do is go to theme settings right here, and you can click drag and drop your logo in there. Awesome. This is looking pretty good. You can play around with the sizing as well if you want it a tiny bit bigger on desktop. Awesome. Looking pretty nice. You can also upload your fave icon image right here. The fave icon is the one that shows on the top of the window on a computer. For colors, this works by scheme, so it's kind of like a menu for your colors. So you can change up the menu. Let's say over here scheme 1, we change up the solid button background and we make it purple. As you guys can see, not much is happening. The reason why is because this is related to scheme 2. So how do we fix that? So we go back over here, we press on the section, and you can come over here and you can see the scheme that it is linked to. As you can see over here, it's related to scheme 2, so we can change it to scheme 4. Let's say the menu color 4, and you can see that the color will change, right? So over here in the announcement bar, same thing for the header. This is where I usually like to put a promotion that you have. You can just change up the text. So limited 50% summer sale. This looks awesome. All right, I'm gonna press save. All right, now that we have our colors and logos set up, next step, adding a product in. In order to add a product from AliExpress to your shop, it's very easy. All you have to do is download an app called de-essers. Mine is already downloaded, so all I have to do is press on open, but if not, it would say install. Go ahead, install it, set up an account, and it will ask you to link to your AliExpress account. Make sure you have an AliExpress account. If not, go ahead and create it. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account real quick. I like to sign in with Google, and there we go. Should be good to go. There we go. You're now signed into your account. So we're gonna go ahead, press on access now, and just sign in. Let's say I want to upload this very trendy earring that has been going crazy. All I have to do is go ahead and copy the link right here, go back to de-essers, we go to import list, and we're going to put the link right there. So we're gonna press on OK. I will import the language in English and press on confirm. So now that it's imported into de-essers, all I have to do is press on it and click on push to store. And over here, the ones I would recommend is push all images to your online store. I would take out without manual price update. I will remove automatic price update. Okay, I would add in continue selling when out of stock, and I will also put publish to online stores. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on publish to stores. All right, now it should be in my Shopify. So all I have to do over here is go to products, and as you can see, it's right there. So once the product is imported onto your store, you can edit up the title over here. You can edit up the description. So I like to take off the description, title straight to the point, and then you can edit up the variants over here. If you want to edit up the price, just select all of them, click on bulk edit, and you will be able to select all of them. Let's say we want to sell this at $14.99. There we go. Another quick thing is the compare at price. So we always like to anchor the price at a certain point, especially if you're giving a 50% off. So this will be $29.99. Hit on save, and we got the price and the product page looking fabulous. All right, there we go. We got the product page looking pretty fab. Now, if you want some tips on a step-by-step guide on how to create a high converting product page, which is where the magic happens, then make sure to watch the next video. I will link it in the description and put it at the end of the video as well. All right, product is done, homepage is done. What I want to do is set up a collection. Very easy. I can come over here to collections, create collection, and I can say summer sale, for example, and I can put it as manual or automated. So I will just leave it as manual. I'm gonna press save, and I will go back to products, and I will link up this drop earring right here to that collection. So I will select it, and I can put that, and I can click on these three dots and click on add to collections and summer sale. There we go. Now you can see that my summer sale has my drop earrings right there. All right, so let's go back to the homepage. We have our first section done, but what about all the others? So if you want to add more sections, all we have to do is press on add section, and first one I would recommend is featured product. Like that, people that are searching you organically can see your product on the homepage straight up. So the one I am advertising will go here. So let's say this is my best seller, the drop earrings, then I will select it and put it as such. That will be my featured product right here. Another section would be the featured collection. So put in your collection. Let's select our summer sale. Obviously I only have one product right now, but as I have more products and add it to my collection, they will be showing over here. So we can add another section, which is testimonials. So over here, multi-column, all I have to do is I can explore free images or add an image that I have. So let's say man, we can put this man right here. So there we go. We put some testimonials. Make sure to add a photo in all three, and then you can put a really nice review about your shop. Best shop ever. All right, so what about policies? We have to set up our policies to make it nice and legal. So we want to go to settings right here and then go to policies. I would recommend to have all of these in. So terms of service, I would just press on it, and you can click on insert template right here, and it will literally do the template for you. So I will do that for all the rest as well. So at least have terms of service, privacy policy, and return and refund policy. Once we have that in, we need to set up the navigation system. So we need to set up a menu, right? So we go back here and we're gonna go to navigation. So in order to create a menu, we're going to click add a menu, and then we can call this footer menu, and we can add the menu items. So we can go to policies, and as you can see, they are already here. There we go. Once we set up the menu in navigation, we can go back to online store, press on customize. So go down to the footer, we can go down here, add a block, and we can put a menu in here. So quick links, you can see it already took it out. So all is good to go. So to set up your payments, you go to settings right here, go to payments, and then the ones I would recommend is Stripe and PayPal. So all you have to do is link up your Stripe and follow the steps for PayPal for it to be activated properly. For shipping, all you have to do is press on create a zone, and you can select all the countries you want to ship to. So I'm just gonna select everything right here, press on done. I will call this entire world. There we go. Now, if you don't do this step, then they won't be able to check out. So make sure you add this step, click on add a rate, and there's two types of shipping. You can either do free shipping or dynamic shipping. For the free shipping, pretty easy. If we want to do it a bit different, maybe have like a conditional pricing. There's so many shops that do it, free shipping on orders $50 and above, right? We can click that right here, add conditional pricing. We can say based on order price and say the minimum price has to be 50. And so we will give them this free shipping rate. So once you put that in, it will only show for orders at least of 50 euros. It will show this free shipping option. So right now we have the free shipping, the static one, so we're good to go. One of the last steps is to buy our domain. So we would click domains right here, buy new domain. I would highly recommend to buy it from Shopify because then every other step is pretty easy. So you can come over here and search your domain. Most of them are $15 to $22 a year. And that's pretty much it. Before you go live, you will have to pick a plan and then remove your password so it's officially live. And there you go. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all next week.